Steve. Yeah. I feel like we're fucking ready, bro. How you feel?
Pretty good. Pretty ready.
Pretty ready? Fuck yeah, dude. Let's go.
Do you know how to get to Willow?
No.
2 ways to get to Willow. My cousin Steve. What's your Instagram, Steve?
At Steve Kusa.
Boom. I'm gonna make that project right here. Steve is my younger cousin. By chance, he just happened to get into rear-wheel drive Nissans. Go fucking figure. Steve learned about this car. It feels good. He replaced suspension bushings, but other than that, the car is stock, which is a very cool concept. Dang, that feels good, buddy. We're getting on the freeway right now. Day at Willow Springs Raceway. You look confused, Steve. What's going on? Off with the donks and in with the 16 stockies with definitely smaller tires than came on stock. Sorry I did that to you, Steve. I think Andy did that to you. Cool. First of all, Steve, congratulations on making it to the track, my brother. This is a big accomplishment.
Where's you?
That way. So go to that far cone over here. I'll put it on the front left. Stop right a little bit further. Rev this thing up to about 4 grand. Pop the clutch. It's gonna start it's gonna forwardly burn out. So what I want you to do is guide it and gas it. If you feel it too far forward, give it more gas so it peels out more and loses grip. You feel me?
Yeah.
You feel it start to grip up? Gas that fucker and aim with the steering wheel. There it is. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Hold it. You might have a, it might be a little peg leg. We'll see. Try to do it around this cone. Only gas, only gas. I think you have a peg leg.
Yeah.
Did you hit clutch there?
No, it just gave out.
Chinese fire drill me. Pull the e-brake. Let me try it. Very unpredictable. Handle. Yep. Let off the transition. Hold that first turn a bit longer, Steve. Almost. Damn close, Steve. There it is. There it is. A bit that way. Now let off. Too much. Too much.
Pretty good.
Fuck yeah, pretty good. Out here drifting better than any day anywhere else. You've got 2 little sessions in.
It's fun, but it feels a little wonky.
It's wonky. Wonky would be the best way to describe the way that the car feels, with the viscous barely grabbing and the suspension a little wobbly. I would say suspension's a little like the smaller of the worries though. Yeah. You know what I mean? If that diff was predictable, it'd be fine. Yeah. For this anyway, for sure. So happy though. Look at that smile. We've put the driver's side tire on the passenger side. This is the original passenger side. The viscous definitely isn't working. We're just gonna try to get him on some right-hand donuts now. That tire should slip very freely, and this one's the only one with grip. It should be pushing it where it wants to go. He should be able to do some donuts and figure eights. Steve learned so much. I can't even believe he's fucking doing donuts and figure eights in this thing. It's a difficult task, especially for someone who's out here for their first time. So definitely props to you, man. Fucking beast. trying to catch before it gets to a too spinny. Let's see.
How long y'all plan on being out here today?
Well, he's got not too much left on his one pair of tires, so he's trying to get this figure eight. There it is. Gas it. Better! He made it around the cone! Yes, Steve! It's breaking loose nice and easy on the left, too, because the tire's bald. I love it. Catch it. I want you to get, you're doing great, by the way. Once you get to the transition, you know how you're kind of getting it now? It's not a full spin, but you're still coming up short of the cone. Ease into that throttle, because you're gassing it and it's spinning it like right now.
Yeah.
And when you ease into the throttle and feel it slip and then gas it, you're gonna feel yourself go around the cone. There it is. There it is. Attaboy, Steve. There it is, Steve. It's another figure eight for you, buddy. You're learning. I'll roll with you. Let's go cool down. Steve, that's how that's much more like how it's gonna feel with the good diff.
Yeah.
Slipping because that wheel was on the other side.
Yeah.
You fucking killed it, my brother. Steve, my boy Steve here, just absolutely learned with basically an open diff, stock suspension, and a car that he built for, what do you say, around $1,000? Maybe 1,500 because you got the seat and shit. I mean, come on, guys. Don't make excuses. You don't need no bullshit motor swaps. Go learn. Go enjoy yourself. How much fun did you have today on one pair of tires?
What?
How much fun did you have on one pair of tires? You hear that? They're giving up. Those tires are giving up. And this car stayed nice and fucking cool. What an absolute blast today. I'm kind of sad he's out of tires. Steve, I'm proud of you, buddy.
Thank you.
Did really fucking good today. Your car that you built on a very hot day doing donuts and figure eights held up extremely well. You should be super proud of that. Yeah, dude. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for joining us on this sick ass journey. I hope this encourages some of you fuckers with Z32s to get them on the track. It feels nice, man. I can't imagine with coilovers in a diff. And hopefully I won't have to for too long. You know what I'm saying? Hey. We'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much. Have a good day.